Good morning, children.
Good morning, ma'am.
Class 12, good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am.
Yes, Pepe, good morning. Today we'll be doing some MCQs.
Good morning, ma'am.
We'll be doing some MCQs of biotechnology today. And okay. Okay. And we'll also practice some assertion reasoning questions today. I hope you know we have a latest pattern of assertion reasoning. Very close options are given. So we'll just be practicing this a little bit. Let me share it with you and then I'll discuss the answers side by side with you. Okay, let's start. Let me admit. Ananya. Yes. There are two questions in front of you, both biotechnology and applications of biotechnology. Let's do it. Plan your answers. Two answers. We'll side by side discuss the answers. We'll not wait till the end. Plan your answers quickly, then we'll discuss. I'll ask you your guesses and then I'll show you the correct answer. Let's discuss the answers. What is the correct answer according to you? The first one?
A.
Option A.
Ma'am, option A.
Okay. Option A. Others are not answering. Let's see. Beta, what happened? Why not answering?
Ma'am, which question?
The first one is B, of course, production of carbon dioxide. Which one, according to you, is the answer for the second one?
B.
Ma'am, option A.
Okay. Some of you are saying B, some of you are saying A.
Ma'am, option B. Ma'am, option.
Ma'am, B.
Yes, it is B, beta. Exonucleases. Let me read. An enzyme catalyzing the removal of nucleotides. Yes, बच्चे. Third and fourth answers. Wait, not like this, not like this. Two together you plan and then I'll ask you, then I'll show you the correct answers. Most important unit of class 12. Let's plan it quickly. Okay. Guess the third answer.
Option C.
Option C. Okay, we have difference in opinion. The transfer of genetic material from one bacterium to another through the
Option
mediation
A.
of bacterial virus. Okay. Yes, option A, that is transduction. Which of the given statements is correct in the context of
Option
observing?
D.
Option C.
Option D. Ma'am, option D.
Very,
Option
very
C.
confident about this. Excellent. There are some things which are a little away from your syllabus, but that is why you're confident of whatever is there in your books for sure. Very, very good, batches. Fifth and sixth, very quickly. Okay. Answers?
Option D.
Question 5, option C.
Let's see.
Ma'am, B.
Very important. Restriction and restriction enzyme refers to
Option B.
all of the above. Excellent, children. A recombinant DNA molecule can be produced in the absence of the following. What did you tell the answer as?
Option C.
E.
Okay.
coli.
Option C.
See, when we are making a DNA molecule, first we break it, so we get DNA fragments. Okay, restriction endonucleases are of course needed, and then when we have to join it, we need this enzyme. Which enzyme is this? Ligase.
DNA ligase.
Recombinant DNA means modifying DNA, inserting a foreign DNA. So first we'll cut it. With this, we are going to get fragments. Then we are again going to join it. This is not needed. E. coli is not needed. Let's move on to 7th and 8th. Be very careful of this unit, Beta. It's a very important unit. So be very careful.
Ma'am, done.
Yes, Peter. Should we discuss? Tell me the answer.
And option B for 7.
Agarose gel electrophoresis DNA molecules are separated on the basis of their.
Option B.
Okay, let's see. Size. You remember some of them move forward. We had a mesh-like structure.
Yes, ma'am.
And Neve, I
Yes,
had given
ma'am.
an example. Okay, smaller ones and larger ones. The most important feature in a plasmid to be used as a vector is, keep
Option
in
8.
mind,
For I.
we
Option
had
D.
what we had discussed about. Yes. All right. Full form of ORI, my dear children, is
Origin of
Origin for
replication.
replication.
good. Now we move on to the 9th and the 10th one very quickly. With the answers, you'll get options easily. Let me know once you're ready. Should we discuss the answers, Vita?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
While isolating, let me read this first. Let me admit again. While isolating DNA from bacteria, which of the following enzyme is not used?
Option C.
Okay. Option C, he says. Others? Excellent. Which of the following has popularized the PCR? Popularized means made it so common, made it so useful. Popularized.
Option C.
Option
B.
B.
Availability of synthetic primers. Okay, let's see. You remember we had talked about what is your option, synthetic primers? This also can be the correct answer. This also can be correct, no doubt. Yes, now 11th and 12th one.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, Peter.
Ma'am, Raghav is in the waiting room. Please allow him.
Okay. Are we done with the 9th and the 10th? By the time? Let me admit him. What according to you is the correct answer for the 9th one?
Ma'am, A.
Okay, one option coming up is A. Others? Yes, Peter. Others? Okay, let me discuss. Tell me the answers. Hurry up quickly. An antibiotic
don't know.
resistant vector usually helps in the selection of
C.
Ma'am, none of.
Yes, you were saying
Ma'am,
something.
option
Tell me.
C.
One person is saying C. What about the others?
C.
Yes, recombinant cells. This is wrong. Significance of heat shock method in bacterial transformation is to facilitate. What was heat shock method? Do you remember?
Yes,
Heating, then
ma'am.
cooling, again heating. And why do we do that?
Option C.
Uptake of DNA through transition pores in the bacterial cell wall and the plasma membrane. Perfect. We do this only now so that the foreign DNA which we are inserting gets permanently fixed up. Name the enzyme P and Q which are involved in these processes. P, Q. See the figure carefully. Tell me the answers. First, tell me this one only, 13th one.
Ma'am, option D.
Ma'am, option C.
Ma'am, option D.
There are two choices, C and
Ma'am,
D.
D.
Let's see.
And yes, ma'am, option D. Option D.
Okay, okay. Let's see. How many of you feel it C would be better answer?
Ma'am, D.
B enzyme, P restriction endonucleases and enzyme ligases. This is P is what? You said B now?
Ma'am, D.
Exonuclease, ligase,
Ma'am,
endonucleases and
D.
ligase. Acha, D. Perfect beta. This I knew you'll be able to answer. I think you'll be able to answer this also. PBR 322, you have done it nicely. And PCR also you have done. So you'll be able to answer 14th and 15th as well. Yes, but your 2 questions at a time, quickly.
Option A.
Okay, one of your friends is option A. What about others? Yes, only one child is giving answer for this. Others get. Okay, let's see. A biotechnologist wanted to create a colony of E. coli possessing the plasmid PBR 322 sensitive to tetracycline. Which of the following restriction sites? Okay, okay, tetracycline restriction site. Correct or wrong? Beta, where would he put restriction, this resistant one, antibiotic resistant one? The diagram of PBR 322 has to be practiced. Which of the following steps are catalyzed by Taq polymerase in PCR reaction? What is the correct answer according to you? A, B, C, D?
All the above.
Denaturation. Denaturation to beta, no. Tell me which enzyme is involved in denaturation? Which enzyme breaks up the DNA?
Endonucleases.
Endonuclease.
Nucleases. Extension work is being done by Taq polymerase. Do only the 16th one. A bacterial cell was transformed with a recombinant DNA that was generated using a human gene. See, we are inserting a human gene into a bacterial cell. We are preparing a recombinant DNA. However, the transformed cells did not produce the desired protein. Okay? What could be the reasons? Read quickly and tell me.
Option D.
Okay, anyone else? One option I have already got. You said B, beta. Amino acid codon for humans and bacteria are different. Did you say this?
No, ma'am, I said all.
Human protein. Acha, D you said. Okay. Proteins do not generally interfere in the this process of transformation of or the process of recombinant DNA. It is generally that they had introns, which bacteria structural differences basically. This is not there, so in your syllabus you could not do it. Let's guess the 17th one if you can give me. Which of the following should be chosen for the best production if one were to produce a recombinant protein in large amount? Take the options, think about it, and tell me the answer.
Option B.
Option B. Yes.
Ma'am,
Others?
option A.
Option A, option B. Have you read the question carefully?
Ma'am, C.
See, you want a large amount and you want it continuous also. So what should be done? Which process should be taken? You got answers as A, B, C. A continuous culture system. See, beta, we want a continuous production. What does the word yield mean? It means production. For any production to be continuous, we need raw material, right? Yield means production. So for production in any factory, raw material. So if you are going to prepare a recombinant protein, you need a continuous medium. That is your culture system, the nutrients. Yes, beta, the 18th one. Who among the following, just read this 18th and 19th. Let's discuss the answers. Can we discuss the answers? Who among the
Option C.
for the development of
Ma'am,
PCR?
option A.
Okay, let us see. Carrimulus. This is general awareness, though it was not there in the book. Which of the following statement does not hold true for restriction enzymes? What is the answer?
Option C.
Do you agree with your friend?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am, option C. Yes, ma'am, option C.
You agree with your friend? So no doubt it is C. Now here you have to be very careful, children. Here is what children go wrong. Okay? You have to give me, you can tell me in words, assertion, reason, true, assertion is the correct one, not correct. Assertion true, reason false. Okay? So these are the 4 options. Be very careful about this. Very, very careful. It's related to PBR 322. This will make you realize how important is PBR 322 diagram. You need to draw it many times and prepare it. Read it very carefully because here you will get confused and individually you will tell me your answer. Giving you sufficient time, Bache. Read it very carefully. Yes, bache. Should we start? Let me see. According to you, please answer. Right or wrong, whatever your guesses are, please speak out, children.
Ma'am, C.
C.
Ma'am, option C.
C. Let us see. Beta, come on, speak.
Option B.
Because B, C, assertion and reasoning is a little tricky one. So let's see. C.
Ma'am, option C.
Assertion is true, but the reason is false. So here we got a bit confused. 21st question now. Read the assertion. And what do you mean by this word cumbersome? Cumbersome, what does it mean?
I'm tiring.
Yes, it's a long, boring, tiring procedure. So keep this word in mind and plan your answer. If you forget the options, you just tell like assertion is true, ma'am, reason is not correct, something like that, and we relate it to the options. Yes, Vita, tell.
Option A.
Others,
Ma'am, option B.
A, B. The ones who say A actually mean this, right? Check once that this is what you mean. When you say A, it means what? Confident? A is both of them are true and reason is the correct explanation, and B is both are true but reason is not the correct explanation. You've given according to this only, Vita?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Let us check out. Any more guesses? Anyone? A. Assertion and reason are true. Reason is the correct. Gene engineering is basically the alternation of the genetic makeup. Alternation means changing. By deliberate and artificial means, deliberate means intentional. Reason, it involves transfer of replacement of genes to create recombinant DNA. Because this is genetic engineering, how do we get new things? By actually creating a recombinant DNA. Okay. And if you got it correct. Question number 23 now. Question number 23.
Ma'am, what is the answer of question 21?
You want me to go back and discuss with you? Selection of recombinants due to okay, we did not discuss this, sorry. Selection of recombinants due to inactivation of antibiotics is a cumbersome procedure. It requires simultaneous planting on two plates having different antibiotics. You tell the answer. What is it according to you, children? We did not discuss
Ma'am,
this. But
B.
okay. It's a very difficult process. It's a very time consuming process because you have to simultaneously plant two different antibiotics on two different stocks. Very good. Yes, Bache, let's move further. Yes, Peter, let's do this. What is the answer according to you, question number 23?
Ma'am, B.
B.
Okay, let's see, Bacha, if you are correct. Three main types of restriction endonucleases, type 1, type 2, type 3, are known with slightly different modes of action. In palindromes with rotational symmetry, second half of the contest, you don't know. You've done rotational symmetry in chemistry? Not yet?
No, ma'am.
That is
No,
very
ma'am.
good. No, ma'am. You've not done rotational symmetry in chemistry. That is why you could not understand the language. This we can do it together. Come on, very quickly. This is easy one. Question number 24. But don't be, don't hurry up in giving this answer. It's a simple one. It seems to be simple, but please plan it nicely.
Option A.
Option A.
Ma'am, option
Okay.
A.
3 people, all of you saying A only. Anyone else who differs in opinion, who does not agree with A? Perfect, children. Let's move on to 25. See, this chapter is a tricky one. We need to keep revising, so that even if there's something which comes from left or right, which is out of the books, we are aware of it. Read 25, question number 25. Yes, Bache, can we discuss the answer? Yes.
Option A.
Option A.
Ma'am, option A.
A. 2 people for A. Others, read carefully. Tell me what is it according to you.
Option B.
Option B. Okay, we've got a different answer. Option B. Any other cases also? Yes. No guesses? Option A.
A.
Yes. Very good. Option A. DNA segments can be excised by molecular scissors or chemical scalpels that biotechnology is called restriction enzymes. Good. See, this kind of a language will also make you acquaint to competitive exam language. Same. Same type of questions asked in a simple way in school and in exams. In competitive exams, this will be a little different. See, these are all based on NCERT only. So go through them carefully. Tell me question number 26. Plan the answer.
Ma'am, option C.
Which option C? What about others?
Ma'am, option C.
Option C. Okay, most of you for option C. Any other difference in opinion? Boys, Boys, no suggestions? No guesses?
Option C.
Others? Boys, please come on. Only these girls answering always. Only one boy has spoken. What about others?
Ma'am, B.
Yes. B. See, the moment he spoke, we got the correct answer. It is B. Very, very good. So both the statements are true in this. Antibodies have proved effective in lowering the mortality rate. Do you agree with the statement?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Which what is the
ma'am.
mortality rate? What is mortality rate?
Number of deaths
That-
per time.
So I hope you all agree that formation of antibodies in the body certainly lowers down the death rate. The best example is your COVID vaccination that we had, which gives antibodies. So the first statement is correct. Antibodies are used as preservation of foods like fresh meat, fish, and poultry feed. Is it anyhow related to lowering the mortality rate?
No, ma'am.
But
No,
it is
ma'am.
a correct statement because we actually use antibodies for preservation also. Okay, but this is not related to this. So both of them are no doubt true, but reason is not the correct explanation. No doubt that this is the reason, is the true one. Yes, Peter. This one, DNA segments can be excised by molecular scissors, what biotechnologists call as restriction enzymes. What does this sentence mean? That is why I said this vocabulary you get acquainted to, because generally in competitive exams, they will not simply write. What does this sentence mean in simple words? The first assertion, who will tell me? Anyone? What does this word, this sentence mean? The DNA segments can be excised
Segments
by...
of DNA can be made by molecular scissors or chemical steps. That is called biology.
Exactly. If you see, they're simply saying one thing. The DNA can be cut into small pieces with the help of molecular scissors, which the biotechnologists call as, what do they call molecular scissors as?
Restriction enzyme.
So it's a simple statement. They are asking you that the DNA segments are cut by molecular scissors, common in man's language, and biotechnologists call it restriction enzymes. Second, you see, restriction enzymes synthesized by microbes as a defense mechanism are specific endonucleases. Yes, Veda, let me do this. We agree that restriction enzymes are produced by microbes. Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
And we also know that they're involved in defense mechanism because with the help of these, we can produce antibodies as well. Specific endonucleases which can cleave double-stranded DNA. What do you mean by cleave a double-stranded DNA? Yes, Vita. Breaking down of a into a single strand is what we call as cleaving of a double strand. So no doubt, restriction enzymes can cleave a double-stranded DNA, and they've given more information about restriction enzymes. Number one, they're synthesized by microbes.